Downtown West Palm Beach has been through many changes since it was first settled in the 1870s. However, by the 1980s, it was being referred to by our own senator as a war zone. In October of 2000, that would all change with the opening of City Place. And now, just a few years ago, it has been transformed again and is now being called Rosemary Square. The area is full of many fine restaurants and shops and historical things to see. There is also no shortage of entertainment either. Across from the Harriet Himmel Theater, you will find one of the fanciest movie theaters around. And next to that is the longstanding Improv Theater. We are also home to the world-famous Kravis Center. There is an early-style trolley bus that will take you where you need to go, anywhere from Clematis Street to Rosemary Square. With many excellent places to stay in the area, and actually some wonderful places to live with new places coming soon, and its own app for Rosemary Square, you'll have no problem navigating all of the shops, restaurants, and things to do. This would make a great destination stay, or if you just want to stop for the day on your way through the area. The locals also love to come here and just hang out. I'm Nikki, and this is NixPix. Please make sure to hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, don't forget to leave a comment, visit my t-shirt shop and my social media links, and we'll see you real soon.